So one more session, another 5 to 10 minutes session of NEET tips. Okay, fine. So this particular tip will be how to maximize preparation. How to maximize your preparation. Okay. So I'll give you some ideas. I think it will be like what to say, perfect for you people if I mean, you can accommodate all these things in your day to day routine, it will be nice. Otherwise, if you have your own plan, also you can follow. I'll tell you what is possible from a student point of view only. I'm talking. So, let's try. Okay, you try and see if it works out for you, it is well and good. Fine. Okay, imagine we'll concentrate mainly on the interns who are now working in a college also. Sometimes you people visit a clinic also, and you are studying also, coming for a Sunday class and attending the online sessions. All these things are happening. Okay, the first thing, there are a lot of facts to remember. So this fellow told this is who, this person is the father, this person is the modern father, all those problems are there. This year this happened, that year that happened, and when I give this drug interacts with the other drug, and it reduces the metabolism, increases the metabolism. All those kind of questions you would have seen in your pulse, and how to remember all those things. Have in mind, certain things you never understand, so you will have to remember only remember. Okay, so now that means if I have to remember something in my busy schedule, all these things, I will have to revise. Only when I revise many times, I have read it some 5 times, 6 times, if I have read it, I'll remember. There are chances that I will remember. So how you want to revise? See, one time you're studying, that itself is a big job. Okay, covering entire periodontics in 1 week or 2 weeks, it's a big job. So covering, is it enough? Just reading through once and knowing the answers, is it enough? There will be some kind of, what to say, depreciation in your whatever memory you had. Okay, the first day you will remember almost 90%, second day you will remember only 75%. Like that only it depreciates as the days pass, because you are reading something else also, you are engaged in some other work also. So definitely there will be a depreciation, there will be a decay, all those things will be there in your memory. So you will have to revise it in your schedule also. So what you can do is you can use your mobile phone effectively. Okay, mobile phone. See, one thing is, I am giving you the recorded sessions in a YouTube. Okay, if you have a YouTube subscription, you can even listen these videos as audio. That is possible. You can just you don't have to see the video, or you don't have to hold it, all those things. You can just close your phone, and the audio will have a playback. That is one thing. So whenever you are traveling, or whenever you are in a, imagine sometimes we are in a marriage function which we are not much interested at all, just put on your earphones or your Bluetooth and listen to this video. See, it might look I mean, it might sound too much like a geek, but we don't have a choice. The more time we spend on this particular process, the more easily we are going to get the best rank. Okay, so use your, if at all you can, make a YouTube subscription and listen as a video. Otherwise, you can use the audio video option, which is free. Second, voice notes. Okay, create voice notes in your WhatsApp, or voice recorders are there in your phone. Whenever you are going through one particular topic, imagine that is not mentioned in your pulse synopsis and all, you suddenly get to know that this is also important, or this is also a thing you have to remember. Make a voice note. Just click on a voice recorder this is about this particular subject and this particular chapter. I'm finding this very useful. It is about this and what it is. Like that, you make a voice note. Okay. This voice notes in your audio player, you can listen it whenever you want. And it will be in your language, it will be in your voice. You will always remember it better. So facts and all, see, once upon a time we used to tell students, make charts, stick it in your bedroom, stick it in your what is it, hall, like that. Whenever you are going through that place, just revise the chart and leave. That is also possible. Okay, make charts. If you can make charts, that is also good. Or if at all you are comfortable with voice recordings, that is also fairly better. Anytime you can, inside your house only, you can do all the chart, or hostel only, you can do the chart work. But outside, when you're moving and all, when you're slightly bored or slightly irritated with the environment, you better switch on to some voice note of yours, which you can just revise one particular topic. Okay, that also you can do. Both question others. You might have a friend, or you might have a, what to say, one senior or junior, whomever it is. Question people. Whenever they come, you just pose a question which you felt it is quite new for you when you are reading Pulse, or when you are going through this question papers, whatever we give sometimes. So if at all you found it something new, go and ask others as a question, because it is very new to you. You finally found that and you have understood that, but you have to revise it, right? It might be new to many people. So go ahead, ask people questions, discuss with them. Hey, what is this? Try to tell. Like a Viva session, also you can conduct for others. Let them answer or let them not answer. At least the topic goes in your mind once and comes out. So it is like you have revised once. Okay, teach them. If they don't know, teach them. Teaching is the best exercise. Imagine, I remember Peter for the past 15 years because I am teaching. Many people who have not taught people or not gone through the books would have forgotten half of the pedo. Okay, that is true only. They know how to do, but they will not know the exact, what to say, terminologies nowadays, which is practiced. Or to solve a MCQ, it is going to be, even for a pedo notice, these pedo questions will be quite impossible only. So better teach others or ask questions. Make sure that you give them also knowledge and ask them also questions, so that you are going to revise during this process. Okay. So these are the ways. See, you might be very busy, but certain things you can do so that you can enhance your preparation. Apart from this, you study Pulse, sit and study. That sitting and studying is your time. That only is the maximum, but you can do all the revision through this way, so that you don't have to separately revise all these things. You don't have to sit and revise everything. It should be like, I have revised almost, I have asked questions, I have listened to a video, I have what is it, made a chart, I have made a voice note, I have just listened to that. So it becomes like, during all your other time also, you can, what to say, bring it as your study time. Okay, that mean whatever small work you do now, it accumulates for 1 year and becomes a very big work which you will never earn back that time. Okay, so try all these ways. These are all my tips. You try all these ways. Sometimes you can, what to say, even post doubts. Posting doubts is a very big thing, actually. You can even post doubts, and once the doubt gets cleared, that also makes you remember. See, remembering, your memory is the main thing for any competitive exam. It is nothing like, I'll sit and study, I'll remember. No, that is one block of, what to say, question answers you'll remember, on block of subject you'll remember. But I am telling you, divide it into different blocks. That's it. Once you divide it into different blocks, it is easy to remember. Okay, I read this in the evening. I read this because I was asking one junior one question. I read this, I remember this because I listened to as a voice note. Like that, you divide it into different blocks or schemes, so that it will be quite useful for you. You will be able to remember more things because of this. Okay. Yeah.